Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave group on Messenger. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Messenger groups are a great way to communicate with multiple people at once. Although the app offers plenty of existing features, one of its downside is that anyone can add you to a group chat without your approval. Fortunately, Messengers allows you to exit a group chat whenever you want. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. So what if you want to leave from from a group on your Messenger? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Messenger. Now you can choose on the group that you want to leave. For example, I will choose this group. You can just open the group info. You can scroll down, there is an option leave chat. You can tap on that. But you can also do like this. You can just tap and hold on the group like this. And there is an option leave group. You can just tap on that. Leaving this group will remove you as an admin if you are an admin and allow other member to manage the group. You will no longer be able to send or receive new messages. Now you can tap on leave. So now as you can see, the group has been disappeared from your messenger. It means you no longer the member of the group. So simple, right? So that is how to leave a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!